Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and today I have a really different video for you, but I thought it would be really fun because it's kind of unexpected. I think I've mentioned this a few times on my channel, but I have been finding really cool crafting items at Ross, and so I went today because I had something to return, and I got store credit for it because I had this thing, like I bought it in February. So I got store credit, and I really wasn't planning to buy anything, but I was like, okay, let me just go around, like one round, and just take a look at what they have. And I am so glad I did, you guys. All right. So not everything I bought is directly junk journal related, but it's kind of like peripherally related. So I'm going to show you guys everything I bought and relate it to junk journals somehow. Now, the first thing I bought, I was actually really looking for this back when everything was shut down, and I could not find it. And I've seen so many people use it, and I've really wanted it for a long time, but I just kind of gave up on the idea. But I was just innocently walking down the crafting aisle. Yeah, this was in the crafting aisle. It wasn't in the baking aisle. And I found these. The Sweet Sugar Bell. I guess this is for icing. And I'm sure you guys have seen other people use this with the Fabri-Tac, and it seems to work really well. So I am super excited. When I looked for this, I went to Home Goods, I went to Marshall's, I went to TJ Maxx, I think, and I could not find it anywhere because everyone was baking during the pandemic. But here this was at Ross, and the best thing about it is the price, because I looked on Amazon and it was like way too much for me to justify buying it. But this, for 2 bottles, was only $3.99. Like, I'm sure, I think I remember someone mentioning at Home Goods they found it for like a pretty good price, but I was really happy to find it for this price. Now, I know people have the stoppers, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. If you guys have any ideas of how to make the stoppers or who to get it from, I would love suggestions down below. So this was probably my most excited buy. Next, I found, well, I saw a couple of journals, not journals, these are planners. Planners that looked really pretty. I'm already working out of like 2 planners plus another thing that's kind of like a planner, but it's really helped me keep track of everything. And I tend to, like, this is one I'm working out of, this one, and it goes from July of 2020 to December of 2021. So it's one of those like staggering ones in a way, because it starts in the summer but then it goes all the way to the end of the year. This one starts in August of 2021, which is right now, and it goes to the end of December 2022. So if I think about it too much, I go a little bit crazy. But I tend to have different planners for different things, because my video upload schedule, it needs its own planner, because I like to pre-film and have videos ready. So like right now, I haven't filmed in like almost 2 weeks, but you guys don't notice that because I have videos pre-filmed. So in order to pre-film that far ahead, I really rely on on planners. So I have a planner for videos, then I have a planner for regular day-to-day stuff, which is usually like a monthly planner type thing. And then I have one where it's like goals, or like little more like an inspirational type of planner. So this is going to be for something I'm not sure what for yet, because so let me show you. Not that this is super interesting, but this was the planner that I was working out of for my videos, and it worked really well because it was just so nice and big. And I usually only use the calendar pages, but this goes up until June of 2021, so that's already done. So I started using this one to plan my videos just in the month of July so far. Just in July so far. But maybe I'll use this one. I'm not sure yet. But I really like this one because of, well, it's so pretty, but it was only $5.99, and it's just a very simple, like lots of space to write. Sometimes I use this when I'm planning out the week, not all the time though. My main thing is this because I like to look at everything at once. So yeah, super excited about this. This planner I got from Hobby Lobby, and of course it's a happy planner, so it's very expensive, but I got it for $8 something, and this one was only $5 something. And last year I saw another one at Ross that I liked, but I didn't get it. So this year I was like, let me just totally get this, especially because it goes till December of 2022. And for $5.99, that's a great price. All right. Then in that same planner section, I saw this notebook, which I don't know why I think it's so pretty. I think it's because of the gold edging and lettering. And I saw it, and I do not need another notebook, especially because we make journals. But it was so pretty, and I was like, okay, if it's $1.99, then I'll buy it. And lo and behold, it was $1.99, so I bought it. Because I think if I saw this for $1.99 on clearance at Hobby Lobby, I would totally get it. So I was like, let me just buy it. Plus I had store credit. All right. Then I saw these really pretty pens, and of course this could totally be used for a junk journal, like a cover or a pocket or something. It's so pretty. And for all of these pens, it was only $2.99, and they're just so pretty. I love stationery, and I love pretty stationery. And it says that it's a ballpoint set of pens, but it is not. It's not ballpoint. It's like, what's the term? It's not gel, but it's kind of like that. So I grabbed these, and I feel like this is just so pretty for my planner while I'm planning out videos, or if I really wanted to be super ambitious, I could do a set of 6 or 5 or however many floral journals and have this be the pens to them. So I got that for $2.99. And that's pretty much it. I did get a storage thing, but just randomly I found some earbuds, and I use earbuds when I am editing videos if I do have to edit the video, because my phone doesn't play audio anymore. So if I want to watch a video or anything like that, I need to have a headset. But this was only $149 on clearance, and I thought I might as well try it, and if I like it, I can go back and get more, because the regular price I think is like $2.99, and I'm always wanting to stock up on these. Alright, so then the last thing is a storage type situation, and I don't know if you can see it, but let me take this off. Alright, let me make sure the microphone is not gonna like, okay. This is a rolling cart. It looks weird. It looks like this is not parallel on camera for some reason, but it is parallel, like when I'm looking at it not through the viewfinder. But I found these, this is a 3-tier rolling cart, and I found a 4-tier one in the past. About 3 years ago, I bought 2 of these rolling carts. They're super easy and simple to assemble. They're very small and compact, and they hold a lot of stuff. So for the last 3 years, I've been searching for this again, mainly because it's only $8.99. I mean, that's so cheap for something like this. And today I saw 2 of them, so I just grabbed them. I just ran to get a cart and I grabbed them. And I want to show you guys the one that I have been using over by my bed. It's a gray one. This color isn't my favorite. The last 2 I got had better colors, but it's kind of in the dark, so it's not going to be like a great view, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to cover you up. Okay. Oh, here is the other one. So I got 2 of them. And here is the one by my bed. It's very narrow. It has wheels, so it does roll. And this one is bigger than the 2 that I just bought. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 different tiers. But yeah, so if you guys are looking for some really inexpensive storage, I would say keep an eye out at Ross. I thought these would not come back, but I saw them again and it was really cool. And don't forget about Ross for craft items, because there are a lot of them. I found these Fiskar scissors, Fiskar for $2.99 at Ross. Yeah, Fiskars right there for $2.99. Like, I think that's such a good price. And then I found I'm just looking for things around here. This duct tape, which I love the color. It was a lot thicker. I've used a lot of it, but this was only $1.99. So the next time you're in Ross, just go to like the art section and where all the notebooks and journals and planners are, and there should be some little variety of craft stuff. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below so I know to make more of these types of videos. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.